Hello, hello guys. Very good afternoon. So today we all are here to just gain some information about what Google Cloud Study Jams 2025-26 are. I am Arya Nikar, the lead for cloud computing domain in SKNCOE GDG. So I think we should start right now. We already have many members as well as students joined from various colleges plus our college as well. So we should start. So what Google Cloud Jams basically are? So these are the hands-on learning competitions or workshops, you can say, which are organized by the Google developer teams. These cloud jams help students and developers to learn the GCP platform, which is Google Cloud Platform, through interactive labs and various challenges. So, many people asked us about the syllabus which we have in Google Cloud Jams, or what we are going to learn in Google Cloud Study Jams. So basically, we are going to complete a series of lab that teaches us how to use various cloud tools. Cloud tools like compute engines, virtual machines, cloud storages, BigQuery, cloud functions, and Kubernetes, and various more APIs as well. So we are going to follow a timeline, or basically a workflow, to walk through these study jams. So the first step is going to be joining the event. Like, I hope you all have filled the registration form which we had provided on the group, wherein you all had to create a Google Cloud Skill Boost account, and you have to make that account public, like the profile public, and copy paste that profile into the Google Forms. But many people were facing some issues. So I have here the co-lead for cloud computing domain, that is Harsh. So Harsh, would you please share your screen and tell us how to do the registration?
Sure.
So we both will just show you how to fill that form from scratch, and then how to create your Cloud Skill Boost profile and how to make it public. Everything is going to be told in this meeting right now. I hope you all can see the screen shared by Harsh. Is the screen visible, guys? Can you just give me a thumbs up or raise your hand or something? Okay, yes, thank you so much.
So basically, this is a form which was sent on a group by our member lead, we can say. So जो आपने जो ईमेल आईडी नया आपने जो ईमेल एड्रेस क्रिएट किया है, जो कि आपको करना था बिफोर लाइक आफ्टर सितंबर. सो जो आपने जो नया ईमेल आईडी क्रिएट किया है वो आपको यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है. You have to paste that email over here, and you can see the new email I've created is over here. So I've just pasted it in the new tab, that is email section. Then we will proceed with the next button. After proceeding, you will be getting terms and condition. You can read this. No worries, no issues. And you can just say yes and I accept the terms. Then proceed with the next button. And after that, the reminder and all you will need to enter over here. And you can read all this over here. So we will start with a form. You have to first of all enter your full name. So I have prior done with a basic, you can say like I have done and all enter and my information over here. So here it is asking your full name. So I have entered my full name over here and my gender, year of graduation, and it is asking for my like connection and browser. So I'll be saying over here yes. Then proceed with the next button. After proceeding, you will get a link over here to the Cloud Skill Boost website. So copy this link and open it in a new tab. So after opening this, you need to just say over here sign in button and say sign in with Google. You don't have to enter your password and ID manually. As ये मैं पूरा नया अकाउंट है मेरा, मैंने जस्ट अभी क्रिएट किया हुआ है अकाउंट है ये, and I am too registering for this event in front of you guys. सो जो मैंने यहाँ पे अगर मैं कुछ करूंगा एक्टिविटी तो मुझे यहाँ पे सबको दिखेगा मैंने कितने बैचेस अचीव किए एंड दैट्स ऑल. सो अब अकाउंट अपना पब्लिक कैसे करना है जैसे फॉर्म में पूछा गया है वैसे. So go to over your my account. You can see over your credits is zero. So you can clearly say that this is a new account. अगर आपने कुछ लैब्स वगैरह कंप्लीट की होगी तो आपको यहाँ पे क्रेडिट्स वगैरह दिखेगा. So go in settings section and just enter your full name and all. That's it. Then log in with Google option. This is by default. You don't need to do anything over here. Then अगर आपको कुछ player का name रखना है so you can enter over there. Like I would like to keep my name as Harsh. And then check all the buttons. And finally make your over at update settings. Once you update your settings, you will be getting the same screen again. And here you can get your public, we can check that cloud ID. So I will open up this in a new tab. So आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है members in 2025. So this is my new email ID and new account we can say. So my account is right now public. So copy this URL and get back to your form. And as mentioned over here, you need to say yeah, verify and proceed with the again enter your email address and proceed with the next button. So this is my public ID, which we have created the account just now. So I have pasted it over here and I will be saying I acknowledge. Yes, I agree. And at last you have to join this WhatsApp group and you have to submit your form. That's it. You have registered for the event right now.
So, guys, I hope you all are clear with all these steps. If you have any doubts, you can just write your doubts in the chat box and we would be happy to help you all. So, as I said, this is the first step of our Google Cloud Study Jams, which is joining the event organized by GDGoC SKNCOE. Then, after that, the next steps would be like you would get free access to the Google Cloud Skill Boost platform for a limited time. You would be provided with some of the credits as well as you complete the labs. So you have to complete the labs. The labs are of various types, like you have cloud infrastructure, ML, serverless, various other as well. And when you complete all these labs, you earn some skill badges. These earned badges also helps you to get some swags and prizes from the Google, like the Google platform as well. So, Swarnam, would you like to tell about the swags?
Yeah, sure. So firstly, I would like to introduce about the timeline. So the registration forms for Google Cloud campaign is up to 13th of October, that is till 12 p.m. Then after 13th of October, you'll start completing your labs from 20th of October to 19th of November. The cohort duration is of 1 month, and in the 1 month, you will basically complete all the labs. The labs basically means there are 20 skill badges. In the skill badges, you have various technologies such as PubSub, Vertex AI, uh, various other cloud technologies, Kubernetes, and many more. So throughout the campaign, you'll learn in hands-on way how to implement and uh, work on Google Cloud Platform basically. So after completing all the 20 skill badges, the main thing is you'll receive the swags from the Google directly from the Google itself. Like the swags are not disclosed yet, but you'll definitely achieve something if you complete all the labs, 20 skill badges, and complete the entire milestone, which you're supposed to do. So we'll walk through you through the entire timeline about it. Yeah. So this is the timeline. So if you're not registered yet, please do it ASAP. And as Harsh mentioned earlier that while submitting your form, make sure that your Google Cloud Skill Boost ID is public. The private ID will not work. Only submit the public one. So from 20th of October to 19th of November, the campaign would run. And the swags would be delivered after that. Swags basically consist of various things such as stickers, bag, bottle, and few more interesting things. And that's a secret, I can say for now. It would be disclosed, yeah, very early. So yeah, moving forward. So yeah, Arya, I would like you to continue for the syllabus.
Yeah, sure. So as you can see on the screen, these are some of the skill batches which we are going to solve. There are various types of labs, and these are all the skill batches mentioned. So it goes from the basics of cloud computing to everything, like that is there are cloud functions, app engine, cloud speech, there are various. So basically the slide shows us all the skill batches that participants can unlock during our Google Cloud Study Jams. uh, these batches represent hands-on learning modules on Google Cloud Skill Boost platform. So each batch focuses on specific tool or a service within the cloud, Google Cloud. So completing means you've actually practiced and learned that skill in real cloud environment. All right, guys. So there are various ways you can solve these batches. You can either manually read all the instructions provided per skill batch, and you can uh, it is basically like a hands-on session wherein you read and you do it simultaneously. Or if you're facing any difficulties, there are also sessions on YouTube which tells, like, provides all the information about how to fill all these or how to complete all these batches. And the last thing is that you can also reach out to us, like me, Harsh, and Swarnim. We three are there to help you guys if you feel stuck or if you don't understand anything. So per skill batch, I guess there are 3 to 4 labs, and then there is one final challenge lab where you, like, you have to complete all these 3 to 4 batches to all these 3 to 4 labs to earn a specific batch. So uh, if you guys at least do 2 to 3 labs daily, you can easily complete it in that particular timeline. Yeah, Swarnam, you can go ahead. So some of the important points to remember while doing these labs or in these study jams is, as Swarnim and Harsh both mentioned, you have to create a new Google Cloud Skill Boost account. Like, the account should be created after 20th September. We have also mentioned these all things in the registration form as well. And you have to put your correct email ID, because then we have to verify the email ID. We also have to send your email IDs to the proper Google platform ahead of us, and make sure that your profile is public while filling the registration forms. And after that, you will get a referral code from us, not right now, but after 13th, I guess 13th of October, you will get a referral code, and then you will earn some points over there in your skill boost profile. Yeah, I guess, guys,
So yeah, guys, as Arya discussed about all the things, I would like to add on few things. That is, there are 20 skill badges, and per skill badge, you need to complete 3 to 4 labs, and there is a specific challenge lab. So if you complete this specific challenge lab, then you can easily achieve the single skill badges by just completing a single lab. A lab can, like, duration for particular skill badge can vary up to 15 minutes or even go to 25 minutes or 30-45 minutes. It is very easy to complete all these things. So even if daily limit to complete or for a particular individual, if you're completing a certain skill batch, you'll only get access to complete 15 labs per day. So make sure that while completing a lab, you don't restart or reuse the lab or credits, because if you're registering, you'll get some 300 to 400 credits in your skill boost account. By using those free credits, you complete all these milestones and labs. So if you're reusing and resubmitting the labs, those credits are going to be wasted. So better complete one lab, like start one lab and complete it within the given time slot. Don't waste the credits on re-attempting each lab. So after completing, so per day you'll get only 15 labs, and if you complete at least 2 to 3 skill badges in a day, you can easily complete all the 20 skill badges within a week or 2 weeks. You don't need at least a month to do it. The timeline is from 20th of October to 19th of November, but I don't think so you'll require that, because if you're completing it as it is possible, then it's good for you to receive the swags and also to experiment and go through other cloud technologies as well. So just make sure a few things, that is, while registering, make sure your account which you're creating is completely new. It should not have any kind of pre uh, enabled credits or any labs completed, or start with a fresh and new lab, new Google account, and then the further things are directly mentioned in the form as well. Yeah. So if you have any queries or doubts, you can directly unmute and ask those. We open to doubts. You can ask anything about if you're facing any issues while registering, or uh, any slightest simple doubt, you can ask about it.
Can this presentation be provided in our WhatsApp group, GDG WhatsApp group?
Can you repeat?
आई मीन ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन लिया अभी, सो ये पीपीटी जो है
हाँ
वो जीडीजी के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे मिलेगा क्या?
हाँ, मिल सकता है। आपको जो पॉइंट्स है हम जो इम्पोर्टेंट है हम को भेज के सेंड करके दे देंगे। डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। Also, the registration deadline is 13th of October till 12 p.m. So register ASAP, because after that no entries would be accepted. Even if your friends or anyone else, your classmates, if they want to register and they're 18 plus, then you can definitely register for it. It's completely free program, and it's just for you. You receive after completion of first skill badge, you'll basically instantly receive a skill badge that is kind of a certificate on your Google Skill Boost account, which you can share on a LinkedIn or the social platforms. Yes, you can get the recording. You can just access the GDG SKNCOE YouTube channel. You'll get it over there. We'll share the link with you.
So someone has asked the question that we are having UTs, so can we get complete the labs after that? So deadline is that labs will be starting from the 20th of October, and you need to complete that before 19th of November.
So you have a complete month. You can start at any time, but make sure that if you're completing all the labs, all the skill badges, make sure you're completing before 19th of November. As I know that a lot of colleges and other institutes would be having their end sem examinations and practicals. So better is to just complete them as soon as possible, like within this week. As from 20th, it's going to be started. So it's better to start out 20th. You can easily complete all the 20 skill badges. If you need any help, you can contact us. We would be taking weekly 3 to 4 sessions. That is this kind of meets. If you have any kind of doubts or queries, if you want to solve labs with us or in the community, you can definitely join. We'll inform you about it later on. Yeah. So it's up to you. It's totally by your pace. You can complete the labs by your pace, like from 20 to 19 anytime.
I would request everyone to complete the labs, because the reason behind it that you pay every year lakhs of rupees to the college, and in return you don't get anything. So by completing the labs, at least you can get the hoodies from Google, which are almost free of cost. You just need to add 1 to 2 hours of your per day. That's it. And if you don't complete the labs, then at the end of the day, it's your loss.
So the sessions which we are going to take are mostly going to be online due to the festive session, like festive Diwali and all. But if possible, if the dates match, we can also host an offline session in the SKNCOE campus. If something like that, we'll definitely inform you about it. Also, make sure that See, the swags and goodies are totally up to you. So there are milestones which from our side also we need to complete. So if you all complete the 20 skill badges from your side, then only you can receive all the swags. Because even few people of you, if there is less number of participants who did not complete the labs, then there's a less probability of you getting all the swags and goodies. So if you're participating and completing all the things from your side, make sure that your friends who are participating, your classmates, they also complete all the 20 skill badges so that you all receive the same swags and as early as possible. It's not about swags, it's basically about what you're learning from this. It's not very familiar that you'll easily आपको ये सब सीखने को नहीं मिलेगा. लाइक आर्केड है, गूगल के जो फ्री प्रोग्राम्स है, आपको ये बहुत हेल्प करते हैं आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट करने में. फ्रॉम दिस यू कैन बेसिकली start your careers in cloud. You can get a basic idea about what is DevOps and how Kubernetes work, how Docker work. So it's a very great thing to start now, because as many of you from second year, first year, even third year, so it's very great to start as early as possible. So the labs are basically nothing but see, some there are tasks like completing uh, a vertex, like training or hosting a website on Google Cloud. So some kind of simple tasks which are in the form of labs. So there are, if you complete those tasks sequentially, so you'll achieve a skill badge. So task and exactly what we do in lab is we basically experiment and work with the Cloud technologies, like hosting a web browser, like hosting an instance, or hosting a server on cloud. So that kind of things.
लाइक आपको एक वर्चुअल मशीन लॉन्च करना रहेगा, ये भी एक नॉर्मल टास्क है. उसके अंदर आपको रीजन्स वगैरह ऐड करना एंड परफॉर्मिंग क्रिएटिंग अ मशीन एंड ऑल, launching the resources. These are all the tasks you need to perform under the labs, and that are very easy tasks, we can say, not a difficult task.
Basically, you can just read all the tasks and the instructions mentioned to you guys, and you can complete it easily. It is very easy.
uh, you can complete all the labs by your side also, but आपको कोई help चाहिए तो YouTube पे all the solutions available है. आप just वो lab का नाम डाल दो YouTube पे and you'll receive all the solutions like how to complete a lab. And even in अगर आप कोई lab start करते हो तो side में सब guidelines and instructions दी होती है कि कैसे labs complete करने हैं उनको, like what are the steps, what are the levels, क्या use करना है, कौन सी tech use करनी है, सब mentioned रहता है. So it's very easy to complete. There is uh, like इतना कुछ complex नहीं है solve करना.
Guys, and we are not going to take session for each lab. मतलब हर lab के लिए we are not going to take a session. You have to complete it by yourself by reading all the instructions. उसके वजह से ही तो you guys would be able to understand what it is. और even if you need any help, we are there for you to help. और YouTube से भी आप help ले सकते हो. Like there are many videos. We would provide the links of those videos so that those videos will also help you guys.
Also, for completing a single lab or skill badge, it would be taking around an hour or two. So, एक skill badge में आपको 4 to 5 labs रहता है. So, वो सब complete करने में आपको एक से 2 घंटे maximum लग सकते हैं. That's it. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. सिर्फ make sure करना कि आप credits और या फिर labs restart या फिर से मत complete करो, क्योंकि आपके credits waste हो जाएंगे. वंस यू आपको 20th के बाद आप जब स्टार्ट करोगे, आपको फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन वाली लैब रहती है. सो वो लैब करने के बाद आपको बेसिक आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हमको बेसिकली करना क्या है. उस लैब में बेसिकली वो फ्री लैब रहती है, उसमें आपके क्रेडिट्स खर्च नहीं होता है. सो उस पर आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो कितनी भी बार आपको अगर डाउट है तो.
And if you complete the lab and you don't see the credits created in your account, please wait for a while. After like 15 to 2 minutes, you can just refresh the page and you will see the credits created. Because the most probably the all the cloud platforms are slow, we can say. Like I have experience with the Azure platform, AWS platform, and GCP is the easiest platform, we can say. So if you don't see the credits created in the account, please wait for a while. You will see the credits created in the account after a while. So don't try to reattempt
Yeah.
the lab.
Yeah, they are enough to complete all the 20 skill badges. 409 credits are really enough. Just the thing is, don't just reuse them, so that you will If you're like down with credits, then there's no way to regain those credits back. We cannot provide you separate credits to redo the lab. So make sure that you're using your credits very mindly. Yeah, you'll receive the certificate after completion of all the 20 skill badges from the Google Cloud itself. And for particular skill badge, you'll also receive a single, like if now you have 20 skill badges in your campaign, so you'll receive particular 20 certificates, you can say, on your Cloud Skillboost account at the same point when you complete the labs. So as you go and complete, like as you're completing the labs, at the same time, you're seeing the certificates as well. Also, after completion of all the 20 skill badges, from the Google side, you'll receive all the swag and goodies, like t-shirts, bags, and bottles, which are really, it's a great opportunity to receive all those gifts and swags. What kind of email do you want?
You can unmute your mic and ask the question, no issues. Omkar Jadhav, you can unmute your mic.
नवीन ईमेल कसा बनवायचा म्हणजे कुठला म्हणजे कसा बनवायचा
जीमेल वर
Uh,
जायचं आणि तुला नवीन एक क्रिएट अकाउंटचा ऑप्शन
तसा
येतो.
नाही रे दादा म्हणजे आता या हर्ष दादाचं कसं होतं हर्ष क्लाउड म्हणून होतं नाही का तर तसं
नाही ते
okay, the
माझा
skill boost.
आता अकाउंट क्रिएट केलं होतं मी तो जस्ट बिफोर द सेशन अँड त्याचं मी नावच असं ठेवलं होतं. तर तुम्हाला एक जीमेल थ्रू नवीन अकाउंट क्रिएट करायचा आहे आणि जाऊन डायरेक्ट ते जो आपला स्किल बुस्टचा प्लॅटफॉर्म तिथे जाऊन तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट साइन इन विथ गुगल म्हणायचंय.
अच्छा म्हणजे नवीन ओपन करून प्लॅटफॉर्म वर साइन इन करायचं
हा
जुना नाही
नवीन अकाउंट
चालणार
क्रिएट करावं लागेल, पूर्ण नवीन अकाउंट. जीमेलचं नवीन अकाउंट क्रिएट करतो ना आपण, तसं पूर्ण नवीन अकाउंट घ्यावं लागेल जीमेलचा.
ओके म्हणजे त्यामध्ये क्लाउड वगैरे आपण म्हणजे रॅन्डमली काही टाकू शकतो फक्त नवीन घ्यायचं आहे
हा अकाउंट आपल्याला नवीन लागणार आहे, दॅट्स इट.
ओके
You can use the previous account. तुम्ही आप पुराना भी अकाउंट यूज कर सकते हैं आपका जीमेल का. सिर्फ द पॉइंट इज जो गूगल क्लाउड का स्किल बूस्ट अकाउंट रहेगा ना, उस पे आपके कोई क्रेडिट्स या प्रीवियस लैब्स नहीं रहने चाहिए. अगर कोई आपने अगर प्रीवियसली कोई कैंपेन में पार्टिसिपेट किया होगा, जैसे कि आर्केड या फिर जन कैंपेन, सो उस ईमेल से आप मत करो. अगर आपके पास कोई दूसरा ईमेल है तो उससे साइन अप करो. और जीरो रिमेम्बर कि जब आप साइन अप करते हैं गूगल क्लाउड स्किल बूस्ट अकाउंट में, तो आपके क्रेडिट्स उधर जीरो दिखने चाहिए, सो दैट फिर आप सही जा रहे हो, लाइक आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन इज लाइक करेक्ट. एंड 409 क्रेडिट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे अराउंड 1 2 20 सब अक्टूबर से पहले आपको मिल जाएंगे आपके अकाउंट पे. वो सब तो डायरेक्टली अलॉट हो जाते हैं आफ्टर योर रजिस्ट्रेशन.
See guys, as Swarnim mentioned, this is my new account and you can see over that it is zero credits, it's showing that. So ये purely मेरा नया account है, which I have logged in with the Gmail and then I have logged in over here on the Skill Boost platform and it's showing that it's 0 credits. Like मेरे इस account पे previously कोई labs है कुछ मैंने complete नहीं किया हुआ है such.
सो गाइज नया नया ईमेल आईडी क्रिएट नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, बट द गूगल क्लाउड स्किल बूस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, उधर you have to create a new account. So basically you should have 0 credits, and after we push your account forward you would receive the 409 credits as someone mentioned in chat box. So no need to worry about it. So starting May you would have 0 credits. After we push forward your account you would receive the 409 credits, and then you can start with all the labs.
Yes. NBN and SKN dates are different. I guess NBN का जो कैंपेन है वो कोहर्ट 1 में है. SKN का dates are totally different. So we are basically conducting this campaign in the cohort 2, that is from 20th of October to 19th of November, and registrations are going to be closed. That is on Monday, that is 13th of October till 12 p.m.
गाइस जिसको भी अपने अकाउंट पे क्रेडिट्स दिख रहे हैं, आई वुड सजेस्ट टू क्रिएट अ न्यू जीमेल अकाउंट. Cause at the end ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए यार, like you did your all, you put all efforts and you didn't receive the goodies and all. So after logging in, you should see that zero credits. So I would prefer जिसको भी credits दिख रहे like 39,405 or anything else, please log in with a new account. Then you will see that zero credits. And after once you push your account forward to the Google, then you will be able to see your credits over there. That is likely most of the 13th of October we can say.
Yeah, so prefer creating a new account so that you'll have a clear and fresh all the things lined up.
And
Also, और
guys,
एक चीज है कि yes, Arya, proceed.
yes, so after creating your new account, don't forget to register again because we need your public URL to push forward and give you credits, right? So don't forget to fill the registration form again, and don't forget to make your profile public and give us your public profile link.
So the form which is circulated right now has all the instructions properly mentioned. So while filling the form, please read the form very carefully, like all the steps are mentioned in the form as well. Even if you're not understanding anything, you can ping us or message us personally as well. So if anything else, you can definitely reach out to us. Also, one thing is that uh, you're only going to receive the swags and goodies if all of you participants complete all the 20 skill badges. Like at least 50 people should complete